The Wawel Cathedral is a Catholic cathedral situated on Wawel Hill in Krakow, Poland. The cathedral is nearly 1,000 years old. It is part of the Wawel Castle complex and is a national sanctuary which has served as the coronation site of Polish monarchs. At the main entrance to the cathedral, from the western side, leads between two Gothic chapels. Suspended on chains over a flight of stairs are bones of a whale and a woolly rhinoceros, as it is believed to provide magic protection against evil. The main door is from the 14th century and is clad in iron sheets with the initials of King Casimir the Great emblazoned on it. Looking inside the cathedral, there are probably only a few overtly medieval buildings that can lay claim to such a fluctuating appearance across the centuries. Many art historians hail the Royal Basilica, which is Wawel Cathedral's official name, as the finest manifestation of Italian Renaissance outside Southern Europe, and it's from this period that the elaborate marble altar coverings and much of the ceiling adornments date. The current Wawel Cathedral is the third edifice on this site. The first was constructed and destroyed in the 11th century, and the second one, constructed in the 12th century, was destroyed by a fire in 1305. The construction of the existing church began in the 14th century on the orders of Bishop Naka. Over time, the building was expanded by successive rulers, resulting in a versatile and eclectic architectural composition. There are examples of Romanesque, Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, Neoclassical, and Neo-Gothic elements in the chapel's facade and interior. The exterior is adorned by side chapels and mausoleums, the most notable being the golden domed Sigismund's Chapel. Sigismund's Chapel adjoins the southern wall of Wawel Cathedral. It is one of the most notable pieces of architecture in Krakow, and perhaps the purest example of Renaissance architecture outside Italy. Financed by Sigismund I the Old, it was built between 1517 and 1533. Wawel Cathedral has been a main burial site for Polish monarchs since the 14th century. As such, it has been significantly extended and altered over time. The crypts beneath Wawel Cathedral hold tombs of Polish kings, national heroes, generals, and revolutionaries. Wawel Cathedral is the most important house of worship in Poland, whose imposing interior symbolically testifies to the continuity of the historical memory of generations of Poles.